So now let's look at a live day trading example using the technical analysis techniques that we've gone over in the course. When day trading, I like to try to get in before a rally and take my profits before the pullback, typically within 1 to 3 days. There are a few stocks on my watch list that are looking pretty good today, so let's head over to my watch list on TradingView and see if we can find a stock to trade. So here's my watch list on TradingView. One of the stocks that I've had my eye on for the past few days is called RIOT. Let's pull up RIOT's chart here. RIOT is one of the stocks that I like to trade pretty often. It has great volatility, and when it moves, you can typically get pretty good gains. RIOT has had a major pullback since its all-time high, and it looks like it's trying to bottom out. The MACD looks bullish, and the price is broken above the middle Bollinger Band. If we change this over to the 4-hour chart, we can see that the RIOT price is trying to break through the resistance around $8. Judging by the technicals, I think it will. So let's head over to the ThinkorSwim mobile app and place a trade for RIOT. So we just determined that the price looks like it's about to break through the resistance around $8. In order to make sure that I was automatically notified when this trade was ready, I had an alert set for RIOT at $7.90. My alert was just hit, so let's go check it out. It looks like I already have RIOT on the watch list on my ThinkorSwim mobile app, so let's click that now. It looks like RIOT is off to a good start this morning and is currently sitting at $7.92. If we click on the news tab, we can also see that RIOT had some really good news come out at 7:20 a.m. this morning. It says that HC Wainwright initiates coverage on RIOT blockchain with a buy rating and sets the price target at $9. I'm not sure if RIOT's going to get to $9, but that news is good enough for us to make a quick gain today. Geez, RIOT's already at $8, so let's go ahead and place that trade now. Let's click on trade at the top right. So in order to try to prevent buying at a peak, let's set a trail buy. This will allow the price to fall as much as it wants, and it won't purchase the shares until the price goes above my mark. I think I'll buy 150 shares and set my mark at 8 cents. Once you've made sure all your information is correct, go ahead and click on confirm at the top right. Here you can verify your order details, and once you're ready, go ahead and click on send. And there we have it. Our order has been sent. In the orders menu, you can see our RIOT order in the working tab. The RIOT price is currently at $7.96, and I have a trail mark of 8 cents, so if the price decides to keep going up, I'll be in at $8.04. You can actually watch the trail follow the price on the chart. The price just dropped to $7.93, so now I'll get in at $8.01. So let's let the trail do its work. I'll be back when I've made my entry. So I just received a notification that my trail has been hit and my RIOT shares have been purchased. The line on the chart here shows the price where I actually bought my shares. Looks like I got in around $8.01. If you click on the orders menu, then go to the field tab, you can see even more details about your order. It looks like my trail stop price went down to $7.99, but my average field price ended up being around $8.01. This filled about 2 minutes ago around 12:40. In order to prevent losses or lock in future gains, I like to either immediately or soon after set a trail sale after I enter a position. So although we just purchased our shares, I'm going to go over to my RIOT position and click on close position. I want to select the first option to sell all my shares and then click on close. For my trail sell, I think I'll set my mark for around 50 cents. I like to give it a little room to fluctuate, but not too much room that I lose too much money if it goes the wrong way. I'm also going to change my time frame to good till canceled, so I'm still protected even if I'm in for more than a day. So let's click confirm and place our sell order. And our sell order has been sent. If we head back over to our chart, if you look down at the bottom, you can see that there's another line down there now as well. This is our trail sell order, which will automatically follow the RIOT price. If the RIOT price just falls from here, I'll be out at $7.58. But hopefully the price keeps going up and I can make a good profit. Alright, so far so good. The RIOT price is currently at $8.24 and has already hit a high of $8.27. Since the price did go up, let's change our trail sell. I think I'm going to change it from 50 cents to 25 cents. This is called tightening the trail. I got in around $8.01. The price is currently at $8.28. So with the trail stop around 25 cents, I'm pretty much guaranteed to either break even or make a profit. Now that our new trail is set, let's head back over to the chart. So you can see that our trail stop line is now at $8.05, which is above my purchase price. This pretty much guarantees that I'll make a small profit if nothing else. So now let's wait until my trail is hit and see how much we make. So it's 3:25 in the afternoon and it looks like my trail sale was just hit. Looks like the average fill price was around $8.39. That's definitely above my buy price, so let's go see how much we made. So this position was only open for 1 day and looks like we made a profit of around $57. Not bad. So now that I'm out of this RIOT position, I'll go check out the chart and see if I need to set another alert. If the chart still looks good, I may end up purchasing again. I'll see you in the next video. To get the full stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Also, go ahead and click the thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever we release new content. The link in the description will take you to the full stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass, where you will learn how to use candlestick charts and technical analysis for stock trading and investing as you look over my shoulder as I go through multiple strategies, tips, and real day trading examples. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned to see a preview of the stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass from Quantum Courses. Are you ready to learn everything you need to know to get started with stock trading and investing using technical analysis? Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Stock Trading with Technical Analysis Masterclass. Learning how to trade stocks is just like learning a new language. You could try to learn through trial and error, but having a guide will save you a ton of time and probably a lot of money as well. We will cover the top mistakes that most beginners make and the traits that you must develop to become a successful trader. You will learn how to read and understand candlestick charts, and how to apply and use various indicators and overlays to perform technical analysis. We will go over how to create your account on a trading exchange and go over how to use the platform tools. And you will even follow along as you watch me buy and sell stocks as I place real trades with real money. You get to look over my shoulders as I go through multiple day trading examples so you can see my entire trading process from A to Z. No experience or money is required. Trading can be a little overwhelming for beginners, so for the less experienced traders, I will also show you a method that you can use to start practicing trading real stocks without risking any real cash. Starting with this method will allow you to practice the trading techniques and strategies that you learn in the course in a realistic environment, worry-free. You will learn how to create watch lists so you can keep track of your favorite stocks and assets, the best tools and resources to find and analyze trades, various trade types and order strategies, and we will even go over how you can short various markets and assets without using options. As a bonus, we will also discuss some technical investing strategies that you can implement to start intelligently building your long-term investment portfolio. Learning to invest the right way can help you to build wealth over time, help to secure your future, and provide protection against certain economic or financial issues that may arise. So take some time now to check out the free preview videos and go through the course curriculum so you can see everything that we'll be covering in the course. This is a full-length stock trading masterclass covering everything you need to know to get started with zero fluff or filler. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to start learning with me today. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the course.